looking at treble crochet today and everything that we need to know about this stitch right here. And first of all, let's look at the anatomy of a treble crochet. You can see it's a very tall stitch. It's one of the tallest. There is a double treble, but this is one of the tallest stitches. It's probably the tallest of the basic stitches. And you create this very tall stitch by wrapping the yarn twice around the hook before you begin. Another thing to notice here is that the turning chain is also very tall. The purpose of a turning chain is to get your yarn up to the height of your stitch. So a single crochet is short, it only has a chain 1. Well, this has a chain 4 to get your stitch up to the height of a treble crochet. So for the next row here, I'll show you how to treble. And I will chain 4 to get up to the height of my row. All right, so that takes the place of this first stitch. I'm going to skip it. I'll be working right here into this, where you work under both loops, right in here. To treble, you wrap the yarn around twice, which does feel kind of strange when you have it like this. And then you're going to insert into the stitch, yarn over and pull up a loop. Okay, so now you have 4 loops on your hook. Yarn over, pull through 2. My yarn is not cooperating. Okay, now you have 3 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 more, down to 2 loops, yarn over, and pull through 2 again. And that's how you do a basic treble. Let me show you one more time. Yarn over twice, insert into your stitch under both loops, yarn over, pull up a loop, so you have 4 loops, yarn over, pull through 2. You'll do it 3 times. So pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. And that is your treble. Now, if you're increasing, let's say you need to increase in this spot, you would just work 2 trebles in the same stitch. So you would yarn over twice, insert in the same stitch, and work a treble there. If it says to decrease with a treble, here's how you work that. You go ahead and yarn over twice like before, insert in the stitch, and you'll complete a treble down to the last 2 loops. So yarn over and pull through 2 times instead of 3. You'll leave these 2 on, and now you're going to yarn over twice again for your next one. Go into the next stitch or wherever it tells you to insert your hook, pull up a loop, and then pull through 2, pull through 2, and now we have 3 loops on our hook, and you're going to pull through all 3 at the same time, and that would decrease a treble crochet stitch. Now, working this stitch in the round is just exactly the same. You would work the same stitch, only you would always have to join with a slip stitch at the end of the round. It's not one of those stitches that you could work in continuous rounds. Pretty much the only one you can do that with is the single crochet. So that's everything you need to know about the treble crochet stitch. Check out the blog post for common questions and different little tips and tricks for the treble crochet, as well as a photo tutorial. Come visit us at love.life.yarn.com also for more than 200 free patterns and other great stitch tutorials. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.